Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to Sunny's world. Sorry about the noise in the background. I'm currently engraving some key rings on the laser. Oh yeah, let me show you. I've made some cute key rings, and these are a shout out to all my Volkswagen fam. Oh, and it just sounds like this one has finished. Let me just wait for the smoke to clear. Let's give it a quick clean. Ah, if you know, you know. So now I just need to tidy up the edges, punch a hole in it. I should actually have remembered to cut a hole, but I forgot. But yeah, how flipping cute is that? I love them. So today is, do I know what day it is? Tuesday, I think. This afternoon I'm working in the gallery down in Polperro, and then this Saturday I have another market, which I'm really hopeful for this one. I seem to say that at every market I go to, but I'm really hopeful for this one. So I'm just prepping lots. I've got loads of journals made with the new leather and the engraving on, and oh my goodness, it looks so flipping cute. These are the pocket journals. I seriously love them. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of those done. I can't count, that's actually 9. And then with the big mama journals, these are the A5 size. Oh God, I've just remembered something else I've got to show you. So that's those done. And I've got 2, 4, 6, 7 of those done. But there's a box in the kitchen. I need to go and get that. I'd forgotten all about that. Video kit. The radio star. This is the very exciting delivery. I have found what I think are the most perfect notebooks for my pocket journal and also for my A5 journal. These are by Lochby. Gorgeous paper. It's called Tomo River paper. A friend of mine is really into his fountain pens, and he's the one that introduced me to these guys. It's an American brand, which is the only downside, that these have come all the way from America. I have not been able to find a British brand that makes a nice quality small and large A5 pocket size notebook. Because the packaging looks so nice on these, and because there's plastic and I can't do anything about that, it comes with plastic on, I'm actually going to send them out like this. So when you order one of the little notebooks, then this will come in the package, and then you can put it together yourself and see how it all goes. Which means I also need to include like a link to a video or to a blog post on how to put these together, because if you haven't used this style of journal before, I imagine it might be confusing to some people. So, but yeah, that's exciting. Also, Lochby very kindly given me a 10% discount code for you guys, so I'll drop that down below in the description box. And I'll try and remember to put it in every video going forward. So if perhaps you were to buy one of the journals and get the notebook, but then you decided that you wanted 3, then obviously you can order more directly from them, but with a nice little discount code. Also, I've got the dot grid because that's what my brain likes the best. But they also do plain, and they do lined, and I think they do a wide line, and the A5 one, they're sending me a sample actually, I haven't got it yet, but the A5 one, they do a planner. If you saw last week's video where I showed how I actually put together my A5 journal and how I use it, you'll see that I hand draw my planner, and I've never found one of these notebooks with a planner layout already in it. So I'm so excited to see how that looks. I can't wait. That could save me a right little job. Future Janie here. The samples have arrived. So this is the plain one, obviously. That's the wide ruled I was talking about. I don't know if they do this in the pocket as well, or if this is just on the A5. This is the ruled. You can see the difference there. It's quite a bit bigger, the wide one. That's the planner, and that's the one we've already seen, the dot grid. I am very excited about this. Please be as cool as I think you're going to be. So nice thick card cover, plain page on front. Oh my gosh. Oh, and it's a Monday start. Often in America they have a Sunday start, which really fries my brain. I like my weekends to be together at the end of the week because it's the weekend. Well, the paper is really thin. It's incredible that that is fountain pen friendly. And then I think it's not all monthlies, is it? Hang on. Oh no. Oh, so this is the weeklies. That's great. I'll see how I get on with this. This is a little bit different to how I'm currently doing things, but I really like it. So I'm not intending to sell these yet, but you can use the code that I'm going to plonk down below if you wanted to order some. You'll get 10% off your order. Right, back to the original video. Goodbye. Anyway, now I need to find somewhere to store these, and I need to get back to making more key rings. This is how many of the Cornwall ones I've got finished. These are all ready to have the rings put on. This little puppy, who likes to hide under there, he's got to go over to his nana's now, and then I'm ready to go. Oh my gosh, look at this mess. Good morning, it is Saturday morning. Myrtle is all loaded up and... Well, shucks, it's not the first time I've done that, is it? Apparently I was recording in slow-mo. Damn it. Anyway, I think I'm just saying that I'm about to leave the farm. I'm heading off to the market. It's about, I think this would have been about 8 o'clock in the morning. The van's all packed up and yeah, we're going to head off, set up and hope to have a really successful market. Place your bets now if you have any thoughts on how this market goes. I'll see you there. So this is me all setting up in the village hall. I'm in like a circle of tables in the centre of the room, and then there's more tables all the way around the outside of the room. Really high level of craft at this market. It was really good. There were some beautiful vendors there, really, really lovely. And also I've met quite a few of them at previous markets now, so I kind of feel like a lot of these people have become my friends. So socially, I had a wonderful time. I really enjoyed it. However, sadly, there wasn't a huge footfall. And unfortunately, I made the least amount of money that I've made at all 4 markets. This was the worst one in terms of sales for me. I do appreciate that it's a really difficult time for people with the cost of living crisis and all the kind of chaos in the world. I don't know if markets are my thing. Even though I do make sales, they just don't seem to get busy there's not huge footfall at any of the markets I've been to. So yeah, I'm not entirely sure what direction I'm going to take this in the future. I do have another market booked for next month, which is at an agricultural show, the Liskeard show. If you're in Cornwall, it's on July the 13th. It's at a place called Merry Meet, which is just outside of Liskeard, and we normally go to it just as like punters. We just enjoy walking around. It's a beautiful little agricultural show. It's really, really good fun. And I'm in like the craft marquee for that one. That's quite a big table space that I've got there. I think I'm actually going to have 2 tables on my stand rather than just one. So again, we'll see how that one goes. Physically, this takes a lot out of me because I have chronic pain, and you kind of have to really stand behind, especially because my table is so high with all the boxes on. So I did spend most of the show standing, and the next day I was in quite a lot of pain, I have to be honest. So I don't know, I guess I just need to try this a few times and then I can make the decision as to whether or not I continue to do markets. And this is how my stall looked when it was all set up and ready to go. So that's it for today, friends. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I shall leave you with a little tour of the market. Enjoy.